it's one thing to tell somebody, yeah, I'm more valuable than the other guy, right? But guys, we have millennial clients now. They're not going to trust you, right? And it's not a personal thing. It's the fact that the industry standard sales professional, 10, 15 years ago had to present accolades so that the consumer would go, yeah, you're worth my trust. Take my hand here. Take me wherever you want. We saw our past generation get burnt with that type of trust. So there is an innate aspect going on internally where I'm not going to trust you no matter how many accolades you have, right? I don't know how much your dad donated for the West Wing so you can get that accolade. No clue. What I am going to do is I'm going to go look at Google and I'm going to try to educate myself as much as I can. And then I'm going to come to you. And if you don't know what I learned, why the heck am I going to trust you? Why am I even going to pay you extra? Right? Like, we're a peer instead of an expert. So again, change the perspective of how you view yourself and help the client change the perspective of how they're viewing you through great tools like this in which we're showing.
And so, to kind of build on the trust factor of things, I have clients come to me all the time and they're like, I do this TCA presentation for them and show them the real cost of the loan. They're like, wait, why is that so much more? Zillow told me it was going to be, $2,700 and you're showing $3,200. What's the difference there? I'm like, well, Zillow doesn't have everything factor in. They aren't getting, quick insurance quotes that are accurate. They aren't properly assessing taxes. They aren't adding the mortgage insurance, the PMI, and doing it at the proper rate. So that's why you really need, a tool like that to actually present the real things, because it happens all the time. It's always the Zillow, Redfin told me my price was going to be different, but it's
when you can replace that Zillow website with a personal numbers website that Mortgage Coach provides, golden, right? Like, they don't even look at the Zillow numbers anymore.